Well, that brings us straight to the oh my god or the OMG moments from the film. To be very honest with you, Fahad, every time I saw Sonam Kapoor on the screen was an oh my god moment. Because, like I know something equivalent to an oh my god is going to happen in the movie. So I'm not going to pick any of those moments.
There are enough young boys out there, prepubescent, maybe pubescent, adolescent types who go, oh my goddess. But clearly you and I are not among them.
If there are guys like that out there, they need some help, But I think all the moments of hers, kept aside, the ones that concern the hero are equally oh my god. So this is like this mythical palace that they're in. It's isolated. There's no human civilization. All day this guy just keeps changing his clothes, wears like these Armani suits or these high-end designer suits all day, going from his bathroom to his to his dinner table to his drawing room. I'm like, great, you are having a fashion show and you look great. I know a lot of female fans of Fawad Khan who actually, I think, made it really big from a Pakistani television show.
Right.
But dude, what do you do? Like, what's your job?
It's true. And this is
in the film, of course.
Completely, of course. And I think, this character is based on Raghvendra Singh Rathore, who happens to be a good friend and, of course, an eminent fashion designer.
Yeah, so you may know what Raghvendra Rathore does. He's a fashion designer.
Exactly. So he's, impeccably groomed. He's always, extremely polite, debonair, well-spoken, well-mannered prince. Of blue blood, and therefore they've tried to replicate him, except this man, because he happens to be blue-blooded, speaks in the royal we. Hum ye karenge, hum wo karenge, and it's a lot of humbug. Yeah. On the other side, you have Sonam, who has to show that she's such a commoner and she's so crass because she's Punjabi that she calls her mother Manju, or tu ye kar and tu kar and are dimak mat chaba Manju. And how many people talk to their mothers like that? And if they do, they need to be whacked.